have all the different categories on here. We have 22 different series on NARR8, and you can click on each one of them. Click on one here and you can say start reading. And then you would go through and pick out which one you would want and then click on it. Each one would have a rating and all the information and the stats on here as well. Right now the Wi-Fi is not connected on here. Let's click on some of my series that we already have downloaded. Here's one that's already downloaded. This is one of our interactive novels. So I just turn it like this. Each one of these has volume, sound, and video. So it's going to take a few seconds to load. So what it does is on our interactive novels, is it gives you the images that you would read with a novel as well. So it helps you with your imagination. This is one of the simpler ones. Some of our applications on here will have gamification elements to it. This just lets you play with it. This is one of the simpler ones. I'm going to show you, you can always skip down to either side of the chapter. Each chapter takes around 20 minutes to finish reading. We're going to come back to the platform and I'm going to show you another one of the episodes. Let's see. What's another one on here that's an interactive? Here we go. This is one of our motion comics jam. Popular series. You'll see this has more fluid animation, and it's almost like a mini little Netflix that you're watching. But it's a motion comic. We're motion books, and this is our motion comic. It's a preface about Jam and Bubbles, or Buster is the name of the series, and Bubbles is the damsel in distress, always his girlfriend. And so every episode has elements of Nintendo and Donkey Kong and Space Invaders, Kong. And what it does is that we use all of those influences to create our series. Our series are also originally made and are created the content and published on our platform. So as you can see, it's really interactive and engaging on here. And again, you can change it anytime into any different language that we have available for that series. This one only has Russian and English. We have Russian, English, Korean, and Spanish currently. So they're interchangeable at any time. We have anything from educational content to... Some of these are just not active on here. Here's more of an educational one that we have. It's called Chronographics. And you'll see how these are for a different type of an audience versus comics.
Out of curiosity, how's that selection menu accomplished on the iPhone screen?
It works a lot like Netflix.